It's another full day of yard work. We're going to be doing this over the next 3 or 4 days because we have something very exciting we're going to be picking up today in about 40 minutes that's going to make this so much easier. Connor's back has been killing him quite a bit, which has been bad, but we luckily, I think, have it under control. He got a back brace to make everything easier, and that is why we're picking this thing up today, so that everything we do is less back work and more tractor work. We're trying to make everything easier on us and make sure that we can hit this deadline before they close the free dumps. So it is going to be a long 3 days of very hard work, and we're excited for it, but we're pretty ready for this to be over.
Good news is they have extended our dump date another week, so we have more time to get rid of all of the trees and wood chips at our place. Bad news is I tweaked my back, so we have rented a dump trailer, which is the other good news, which means it's going to be a whole lot quicker for us unloading all the stuff once we get it filled, but it's going to be a lot of tractor work and getting this place cleaned up finally. Hopefully once we're done here in the next 3 days, which is as long as we have the trailer for, this place will be looking back to normal.
Now that we picked up this dump trailer, we just rented it from a guy Connor found on Facebook, which is just such a godsend because we needed something like this. We kept seeing people use them at the dump area, and I was like, oh, if only we had one of those. So I'm very glad that this happened and it worked out perfectly. So I already made some piles. We're gonna get to work and see what we can get accomplished today.
After about an hour and 12 or 15 loads from the tractor, trailer's almost full, so we're gonna hook it up and go run and dump it. It still takes a while to load, but we don't have to cut stuff as small because we don't have to worry about trying to get all this stuff off by hand. So hopefully the dumping process changes the game. The worst part is still the 30-minute drive, but it's time to see if renting this dump trailer made it worth it. Amelia did mention, what if the battery's dead? Do we have a little jump box? And I think we have it in the back of the truck, so let's make sure.
Honestly, we better have it in the truck because we have carried that around everywhere for miles and years. So the one time that we actually do need it, you hope you have it, right? Uh-oh. Do we have it?
Got it.
Woo! Thank goodness. Are you able to drive the truck forward? Okay, great. Okay, not only was that satisfying, but efficient, and it worked. I love this dump trailer. Well worth the $400.
Not sure we have a use for one for like ever, but I kind of want one now.
But worth the rental?
We only paid $400 for this for 3 days, and it was going to be like $600 for the week, which I went to other trailers on Facebook Marketplace and like equipment rental shops, and it was pretty competitive price. Plus this one's 14 feet long versus 12, so we got a great deal. But the battery isn't charged, so you know.
Come prepared.
Always prepared.
We just got back and ate a really quick lunch, and now we are loading up dump number 2. We started in a new area over here because it blocked the circle driveway getting to their log cabin. So we wanted to start working over here and get that cleaned up. And then we'll just keep working our way around as much as we can get into load 2. See what we can get done.
We got this area mostly cleared up. It's crazy being able to see all the way across. That was a huge pine tree right here. Sad that it's gone. We'll have to figure out something else to plant here. But everything but the stumps is in the trailer.
I just pulled up the truck and the dump trailer up to a new spot so Connor can cut a tree and we can use the tractor to load it. It is hot today. Working outside, it is 80 degrees, then getting in a hot truck to move it, you're just very sweaty. And right about now is when I'm missing the 40-degree weather when we were working on this property a couple weeks ago, but whatever. This just means that summer is here, more lake days are ahead of us. Before we can do that, we gotta do a lot of work.
Load number 2 is in and secured. While this trailer is really nice because it's easy to fill and dump, you can't squish it down as much as we were able to with our trailer, but that's okay because you just don't load as much, run the load real fast, and then drop it super quickly. We're gonna head to town, drop this one, fill the truck up with gas, and then whenever we get back, I think we're just gonna load one more. It is 3 o'clock right now, so by the time we get back and get another thing loaded, it'll probably be about 6 p.m. and we're not gonna do another load that late just because we get tired and that's when injuries and accidents happen. So we'll take one more load early in the morning, and then hopefully at that point we're looking all right. We can get over to our place to work on it. But honestly, I have no idea. Like, this little bit right here is just gonna end up probably being like one load by itself. It fills up so fast. Starting on load 3, it's almost 5 o'clock already, so we're just gonna get hopefully the whole trailer loaded. That way, early in the morning, before it gets too warm out, we can run it and dump it and then have all day to do more. But you guys don't need to see all this. We'll see you in the morning. It is 8 a.m. and we are on our way to the first dump of the day. Hopefully we can get at least 3 of these done at the log cabin in the shop, and then that way whenever we're finished there, we can finally move the trailer and the tractor back over to our place to start working on the wood chips.
We loaded the trailer last night just so this morning we could roll out with a full load. We did end up adding just a couple more limbs this morning to make sure we make our trips worth it. So first load, hopefully down. 2 more to go. Well, our second load of the day is almost finished, and naturally, Connor wants to cut down this massive tree. It is close to falling on, what would you call it? I guess basically the well. So I think he wants to manually make it fall before it breaks that, because that would be a very expensive fix. So he's been dying to kind of work on cutting some bigger trees down. So here's his opportunity. Fingers crossed, everybody. Well, unfortunately, it was leaning towards all of the other trees, so he's going to move the tractor now and hopefully give it a little bit of a push in the right direction. But we both saw it wobble and said, whoops, wrong way.
Instead of trying to get the tractor behind the tree and push it, I'm going to use these 2 axes like wedges underneath. Probably should have a set of tree wedges with me, but I don't, so hopefully I can get just enough pressure on the back that it tips the tree this way.
Fingers crossed. I'm nervous, guys. Timber! Woo! Woo! No! Woo!
Plan worked. Ideally, should have had one of those behind the chainsaw the whole time. That way the tree can't fall backwards on it. but just wedging it in there and giving it a little bit of go this way. Tree down. We wanted to move this one because it was right next to the wellhead, and if it had fallen on top of that, that could have been a huge issue, so just cut it down ourselves.
But look how close it was.
Yeah. Crazy, but it worked beautifully. We're about to dump load 2 of the day, and this includes one of the trees that had snapped right next to the well. We were able to cut up all into rounds and put it in the dump trailer. That way now we can get it out of our way. We're probably only gonna do one more load when we get back, but either way, let's get this one dumped out of the trailer and head back for the last load of the day. Crazy how tall this thing goes.
Was that all the way up? Wow. Thank goodness. 1, 2, 3. That's crazy.
I really don't know what we would be doing right now if we didn't have this trailer. My back is still hurting pretty bad today, and being able to just drive, dump it all, and then load it with the tractor is really saving it. We only have a few days left till the dump site closes, so we are crunch time, but the dump trailer is making it doable. We're just working on this section here that's kind of right at the V, where you can split off to the cabin or the shop. Amelia took some befores and afters, but this pine tree here is pretty much all the way gone. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the rest of it down. That way it doesn't just fall down next year and we have to do it all over again.
We also figured because we have this dump truck, we might as well get the big tree and limbs out of the way. So that is why we're doing it. And maybe it's because Connor wants to cut a big tree down again. I don't know.
I don't add any more work, but I have to.
But you kind of like it now.
Well, yeah, but I also don't want it to fall down in 2 weeks and we have to do this again. So.
And have no dump trailer. That's a big tree.
Just a little surprise rainstorm to make us take a nice and much needed intermission.
You want to tell them what time it is?
Yeah, it's almost
3? It is 3.
It's 3 o'clock. So they don't close these dump sites, but we don't want to be working till late. So I think if we can get that tree put in the trailer and drive it over and then come back here, that's probably good enough for this place. There's tons more that we could do, but I think it's time we start working over at our place since we only have the dump trailer for 1, maybe 2 more days if we extend it. So we'll see. We're probably getting close to being done for the day. Kind of spun him around and scooped it in here. I just went to move the truck because this is all hail. And of course, the second I got in, it started hailing so hard. I don't think it's big enough to do anything to the truck, but it was, that's the loudest thing I've ever heard, was driving around with the hail hitting the top of the truck. It looks like snow.
Well, that little thunderstorm rain situation is over and now it is sunny and blue skies, which is just hilarious. So we finished uploading the third load today. We're gonna go take it over. I don't know if you guys are as exhausted as we are, but I am so tired. I know Connor is. We are drenched. So once we take this, we are calling it quits for the day. We're gonna go hot tub, relax, and do it all over again tomorrow, but at our place.
Next week, we finally get rid of the wood chip mounds that have been haunting us for the past year, and we actually mean it this time. While we're missing the simple life on the road these days, it feels good to put in the effort to get our property cleaned up just the way we want it. The transformation is something we have dreamed about since buying this cabin, and now we finally get to make it happen. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a large day.